Isang magandang tanghali or maulan na tanghali guys. Nandito ako ngayon guys sa aking munting halaman, sili guys. Yan, ayan guys, malaki na siya guys. Ayan, may challenge ako guys ngayon guys, is kukuha ko na isa dyan guys. First sili eating challenge guys. Ayan, try akong magkain ng isang sili dyan guys. Ayan, watch and learn guys. Ayan, ayan, ano lang guys. Ayan, so ayan guys, try ko kung kainin yun guys. Guys, sarap guys.